Hello everyone, I am Dr. R. Lakshmi, Associate Professor in the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning, SRM Madurai College for Engineering and Technology. So in this video, I am going to explain about looping statement in C programming. In any programming language, loops are used to execute a set of statements repeatedly until a particular condition is satisfied. Here, the pictorial representation explains the loop execution process. So first, every loop starts with a loop entry. Then the test condition is checked. If the test condition is true, then the loop is executed. And if the test condition is false, then the execution breaks out of the loop. So after the loop is successfully executed, the execution again starts from the loop entry and again checks for the test condition, and this keeps on repeating. So normally there are three types of looping statements used in C languages, namely first one while loop, and second one is for loop, and the third one is do while loop. So first we start with the while loop. The while loop can be addressed as an entry control loop. So it is completed in three steps. So the first one is variable initialization, that is some integer or float variable equal to some values. Then condition. So the while x less than equal to 10 or while x greater than equal to 5 something condition. And third one is variable increment or decrement. So in the syntax for while loop is the variable initialization, then the while condition. So within the curly brace, the statements and the variable increment or decrements are used. So the sequence of statements to be executed and kept inside the curly braces known as the loop body. So after every execution of the loop body, the condition is verified, and if it is found to be true, the loop body is executed again. So when the condition checks returns false, the loop body is not executed and the execution breaks out of the body. A simple C program for explain the concept of while loop, and that is a program to print first 10 natural numbers using while loop. Here we initialize the variable x is equal to 1. So then the condition is checked while x less than equal to 10. So in the body of the loop, the statement is printf and the x, and the decrement value is x plus plus, that is x is increased by 1. So until this condition is false, the statements printf x and x plus plus is repeatedly. Finally, the output 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 10. So the condition when exceed 10, the loop is break out. So another one looping statement in C programming, for loop. The for loop is used to execute a set of statements repeatedly until a particular condition is satisfied. The syntax for loop for initialization and the condition increment or decrement statement. Then the curly brace, within the curly brace, the number of statements are here. Here the for loop is executed as follows. First it evaluates the initialization code, then it checks the condition expression. If it is true, it executes the body of the loop. Then it evaluates the increment or decrement statement. Then the condition is checked, and again follow from the step 2 to remaining. So when the condition becomes false, it exits the loop, for loop. Here also a simple examples for explain the concept of a for loop. Again we take the program to print first 10 natural numbers by using for loop. Here also we initialize the x equal to 1. So the condition x less than equal to 10, the increment statement x plus plus, that is every time x equal to x plus 1, the printf statement print the x values. So up to x, the condition less than equal to 10, the statement is executed printf x. So in the final, the output becomes 1, 2, 3 up to 10. So next, another looping conditions in C programs, do while loop. In some situation, it is necessary to execute a body of the loop before testing the condition. Such a situation can be handled with the help of do while loop. Do statement evaluates the body of the loop first. At the end, the condition is checked using the while statement. So it means that the body of the loop will be executed at least one, even though the starting condition inside the while initialized to be false. So the general syntax for do while loop, first to do, so within a curly brace, a set of statements to be executed, finally while with the conditions. So here also your simple program for explain the do while statement, that is to write the program to print first 10 multiples of 5 by using do while statement. So that is 10 multiples of 5. That is the sequence of 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, etc. So here we initialize two values, a is equal to 5 and I is equal to 1. So do statement, do print a into I. So first I is equal to 1, a is equal to 5. So a into 1. Next I plus plus, that is an increment statement, I is equal to I plus 1 means here. So until the while loop I less than equal to 10. So I less than equal to 10, until I less than equal to 10, the body of the loop repeatedly executed. So our output becomes 5. So 5 into 1. So next term I is equal to I plus 1, 1, that is, so next term I is equal to 2. So next time a is equal to a into 2, that is 5 into 2, and next time 5 into 3. So the output becomes 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, the sequence of 5, that is 10 multiples of 5. So from this video, I hope the video helped your understanding the concept of looping statement and implementation of simple program using a loop statements. And thank you for watching. Thank you very much.